Welcome back, everyone. We are going to be working on these beautiful cake pops today. So let's go ahead and get started. So our first step is to take our cake, and we are using our pink champagne cake. Of course, you are welcome to use whatever flavor you like, and we are using our machine to crumble it up. If you don't have a machine, not a big deal, you can just use your hands. We are going to use cream cheese this time because we do need something to hold it all together. If you don't want to use cream cheese, you can use store-bought or homemade buttercream as a replacement.
They're wrapped because they were in the refrigerator after we baked them. So now that you see that your cake is really crumbling, start adding the cream cheese slowly, step by step, until you reach the consistency that you're looking for, which is something like a
Play-Doh.
So I'm also going to add a little bit of our strawberry homemade jam, just to give it like a nice flavor. You can just leave it with the cream cheese, that would also be good, delicious. But I want to give it an extra touch. And that's it. It's perfect, the consistency, it looks like dough, and we can start rolling our cake pops.
So what we are doing is using an ice cream scoop because we obviously want them all to look the same size. And just go ahead and roll it up until it's a perfect circle. And you are going to notice that there are some cracks in the dough. That's not a big deal. We will show you later on how to fix that. So our cake pops have been in the fridge for about 10 minutes, and we are going to show you how we attach our sticks to the cake pops. But while they were in the fridge, Sylvie,
I was melting the candy melts in a pot with water, and I keep it on constantly in
very low heat. Yeah, you don't want to burn it. So what we want to do, our candy melts are white. If you want to have white cake pops, that's completely up to you, but we want ours to be pink. So I am using a soft gel paste, and here we go.
So we dip the stick in the hot chocolate, and then we stick it in the cake. And that's all. And this will go to the fridge for at least another 10 minutes. And now let me teach you how to fix the cracks. You see, like there is a crack in this one. Just take a little bit of the chocolate, and even with your finger, go over, and this is going to lock the crack. That's it. So now that they've been in the fridge for about 10 minutes, we will dip them in our pink chocolate, and that is really simple. All we have to do is dip them, shake them a little bit to get rid of the excess.
Let's get to decorating.
So the cake pops are really cold. They've been in the fridge
basically an hour, but you can leave them in for just
10 minutes. It's fine. You just want them cold, so you will be able to work with them.
Yeah, just like nice and firm so they don't come apart.
So let me show you what I'm working with. These are little flowers made with edible paper and some edible gold luster.
And we're also going to be using this luster dust in amethyst pink color. It's going to be super fun.
And this is like a shimmer also in color, just to give it the shiny look. And this is all it takes. We put some of it on the plate and also the shimmer. This stuff is expensive, I have to say that, but it works beautifully. And of course with a clean brush that you only use for baking. It's funny that they all say that, but it's obvious that you're not going to use it for arts and crafts. You just paint your cake pop. And at this point, look how firm it is. Then I'm going to do the shimmer. And that's it. And now, with some edible glue, you can also use just water. And just a very, very tiny little bit. And you glue your flower.
Okay guys, so these are the finished products and we absolutely love them. They're so classy and pretty.
And just keep in mind that it's important for you to have fun while you do it, even if they don't come out perfect. We are not professional cooks, we are not in a competition, and we also had our failures.
Yeah, but it's okay.
Our cupcakes also broke and they didn't come out well like we thought, but it's fine. We enjoyed making them, we laughed, and they're still delicious.
So good. Yeah, so it's really okay as long as you, like we said, have fun and try your best. So thank you so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more fun and easy baking videos.